find the area under the curve y is equal to 1 over x for x is greater than 1. So the first step would be to sketch it for x is greater than 0, which it looks like this. So this is the required area. Problem is here, this goes on forevermore because the x-axis is a horizontal asymptote. So we can see that the required integral in this case will be the integral from 1 to infinity of 1 over x dx. Okay, again, this is improper integral because of this idea here, this going on forevermore. So it can possibly, we can attempt to evaluate it by using the following method, involving limits. So we can say that the integral from 1 to infinity of 1 over x dx is equal to the limit, and we invent a variable a goes to infinity of the integral 1, and we replace infinity now with the new limit, which is a of 1 over x dx. Now the integral of 1 over x dx is ln of the absolute value of x plus c. So this now becomes a limit as a goes to 0 of ln of x, absolute value of x, from 1 to a. We put the limits at the end. So just writing that last line out again. Right, so what we next do, we put in the limit. So we've got the limit as a goes to infinity of the ln of a minus the ln of 1. Now ln of 1 happens to be equal to 0, so that's good. And we have to the limit of a goes to infinity of ln of a. However, that doesn't converge. Okay, because as a goes to infinity, ln of a will also go to infinity very slowly. If you remember the graph of log, it looks something like that. Okay, it doesn't actually converge. So therefore, this area can't actually be determined. So the integral is not defined, is the answer. So we can't actually determine the area. Again, I've got this GeoGebra app, which you can see this using this GeoGebra app. The note that will be in the notes of this video. So if we go to the GeoGebra app and we click on the second one here, okay, we can see the same idea. Area is undefined, 1 over x, and there's the sort of working for it for you to explore for yourself. Okay, this GeoGebra app will be in the notes of the video. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.